What up, boys? Two sec. What up, boys? What up, what up, what up? How are you doing? Oh, let me delete this. How are you doing? Is it Forex? No, but you can still copy it on Forex. So, you can still copy it. So don't worry. Oh. You can still copy it even though it's futures. Don't worry. Joe's gold. I have gold on my second monitor, but I don't have a zone. Let me just do something quickly. Okay, let's go, guys. Let's get a fucking buying a trade today. The buy zone on Nasdaq is looking pretty good. It's looking pretty good. What's your buy limit? The blue line. It's 2469. Sorry, 24682.25. The same one I posted in the group. You can, if you're in the group, you just copy the number I gave you. Okay, basically pretty easy. Pretty easy. Is it Forex? No, but you can still copy the trade. You can still copy the trade, don't worry. So let's see if we get the pullback to the buy zone and then we catch like 500 points, hopefully. That would be crazy. There's delay on the voice. Are you sure? Hello, hello? Oh. Hello, hello? I don't think there's delay, is it? Hello, hello? I don't think there's delay, is it? Hello, hello? It looks like there's no delay. Do you get signals on Telegram? I take it live so you get the best price possible. Because if I post it on the group before you see the message and you open your phone and you see the number, it's already gone. So if I live stream, you get the best price. You get the same price as me, basically. Hello, Prodrick. How you doing, brother? Welcome back. I should make it a little dark. Is that too much light? I think it helps a little bit. I don't know. Feels like I'm getting blinded now. Maybe a little lower. We have the opening bell in 10 minutes, guys. Hopefully the volume will push us to the zone. That would be nice. Let me check gold quickly. Nope, still useless. Let's just wait. With the volume, we should be able to get filled. I'm actually bearish today, so getting the buy zone would be possible, hopefully. Trying to see if I can place a zone on gold as well. I do have a zone on gold, but it's quite far away, to be honest. I'm trying to see if I can find a sell zone, but it's not looking great, to be honest. I think Nasdaq is the best option we have today. We just have to hope we push down. You should grow a beer? Maybe. A small one. But I can't even grow beer, like I'm not even joking. Like if I don't shave, nothing is gonna come out. It's gonna stay like this for like 2 years. Welcome Matthias, yes. Time frame, I'm on the 1 hour right now, just zoomed out. I'm gonna zoom in towards when we get towards the zone. You went to Turkey for him to get a beer? The fuck? That's actually crazy. I mean, I understand if it's the hair, but beer? I don't know. Kind of crazy. How long are you in Forex? I dropped out of college 6 years ago. So that's been 6 years. We're in Denmark. I am from Falster. Down the south, sadly. Close to Lolland. Which is not a good place. You live cheap? That's true. That is the only good thing about it, I guess. We're getting full back in all the videos we're doing? Yes, you get all of it. You get all of it. Full time on Forex Pro, do it for living? Yeah, that's the same thing I've been doing the last 6 years. Five more minutes, guys, and then we have the next trade. Not trade. Session. Hey, welcome, Brett. Welcome back. Welcome back. How you doing, buddy? Come on, volume. Give us some good stuff. Best advice? It depends on what. If you can be more specific. Because trading is very broad. Like, Hello, Amine. How you doing? How you doing, buddy? Few good trades today. Just chilling for now. That's good, bro. That's good. What did you take? Was it the NQ or gold? Come on, 4 minutes. 4 more minutes. A gold long? Nice, bro. Congrats. Congrats, buddy. Congratulations. Dabby-dabby-dation. I'm also very excited for the videos. I think they're fucking crazy. And I can't wait to post them. The thing is, I have to edit it all by myself, and I'm not the best editor, but as long as the quality of the information is good, then you have to survive the edits. Three minutes, and we should be good to go. Come on, Nasdaq, come to daddy. Come to daddy. I mean, there's hope. I mean, the probability we get filled is I think it's good. I have hope. I hope we're not gonna go straight through it though. Just buying the dip, that would not be, I mean the falling knife, that would not be fun. So let's see. You rate funded next as a good propfirm? I think funded next is fine. It's safe to use. You can use them. But I would prefer top step though. But I think your country doesn't have it, right? Oh, come on, gold. NQ. 2 minutes, guys. 1 minute. Come on, 1 minute, please. Please, give me a banger trade today. You recommend live or funded? I would actually recommend live if you have the capital, but funded if you are a beginner. Funding ticks is also very good. I haven't tried them. I only use top step if I have to use a propfirm. 1 minute, guys, and then hopefully we get a nice trade. I'm trying to check gold as well, but how many trades you take daily? 0 to 1. Very rarely 2, but I don't need more than 1 if I just hit my trades. It's all very often a good runner, so I don't need more than 1. Sounds good, Brett. Sounds very good. Okay, we just opened, guys. The bell just rang, so let's see. Let's see if Nasdaq can come to us without fucking us as well. It looks like it's coming, guys, so I have hope. Have hope. This is gonna be looks like a high volume session, guys, so be ready, guys. Prepare your seatbelts. We're going for a ride. No, please. No. I'm taking this 100%. I mean, I think it's gonna be a decent trade. I would say it's not an A plus, but it's an A setup. So it's good enough to take. It's better than the zone we had yesterday, and the zone yesterday was the daily low on the session. So, and I feel like this one is better. So let's see if it works out. Gold is falling as well. I mean, I think the reason you say was an A plus setup was because it turned out to be good. I don't think it was a good setup. I think it was a B setup. I mean, even the worst setup can turn out to be good sometimes. Let's see if we can get a good trade. Are these still the same setups you use in your playbook? Yeah, it is the same. I mean, this one is not in the playbook, but it's the same principle. Come on, Nasdaq. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. We just need to break out below 800, and then I think we have a good run to the buy zone. So I pray to God. Gold is falling too. Yeah, I see it. But I wanted to fall more. I wanted to fall down to the buy zone. We have 20 minutes for the 4-hour candle. Hopefully the next candle is gonna bring us to the good stuff. Hello stranger, well done with the book. Thank you Daniel, I appreciate it. I appreciate it brother, welcome. By the way guys, I'm also looking for a scalp on NQ before the buy zone, so you still have to be watching because we might get a trades before the zone if I get a good setup, and then we're gonna take that instead. So you still have to be awake. I'm just using the second monitor, that's why you can't see the changes on the monitor. Come on. Come on, dude. It's not doing anything. You can see gold are falling, which is good, but I would like it to go to at least 4,075, 78. That would be a good spot. Very good spot. So I have hope for gold, but it also needs to move a little bit to get there. And I'm trying to see if I can get a short on Nasdaq on the lower time frames, but it's just really choppy right now. There he goes. Now he's coming towards the buy zone. Hopefully, if it doesn't retrace. Please. Come on. Looks good, guys. Okay, looks good. Getting close. Or closer, at least. Come on, please. As long as we doesn't retrace, we should be good. I want a clean range towards the buy zone, so we can use the range as take profits. That would actually be great. Let's see. We're starting to push now, guys. Come on, please. Please. Give me a good trade. Just give me to the buy zone at least. Please. I'll be so happy if we could reach it. But hopefully we doesn't fly through it. Hopefully it doesn't just completely destroy it. It does look bearish though, but let's hold, guys. Right now it looks good. So we have a buy zone very soon, guys. So be ready. And we're gonna take this one. Only if some really bad price action is being printed above it, we're not gonna take it, but otherwise this is a setup we're gonna take. So, be ready. It's gonna happen very soon. Holy shit, guys, this is this is some crazy volume, guys. Is this a stop loss? Oh, damn. When I say clean range, I didn't mean fucking huge dildo candle. Damn. Oh man, this is gonna be rough, guys. This is not the candle I wanted. We gotta try it. I'm gonna use a small stop loss. I'm not gonna use the normal one against this shit. I'd rather take a small loss than having a big stop loss on this one. Wish me luck, guys. Wish me luck. Oh, this is... Oh. Let's get it. I have placed this, the buy limit. So how fast we're gonna get stopped out, I don't know. I'm gonna risk 400 on it, 400 bucks. So this is not looking good, guys. This is not looking good at all. This is actually very stupid. I'm risking $400, guys, so that's how many pips is that? That's 80 pips. I'm not gonna risk more on this one. It's basically buying the falling knife. But yeah, at least the volume is there. Yeah, I mean, if we catch the bottom, I mean, we have crazy range up again. So the profit target could be crazy good. Crazy good. But this is fucking gonna go straight to my fucking stop loss. I'm gonna go straight to the grave after this. I'm only gonna risk 400, guys. This is high risk now. This is not normal risk. Oh. Can you even see the screen? I'm gonna try to zoom out a bit. This is high risk now, guys, because of this candle. Very high risk, so I'm gonna take it for the small 400 bucks risk, but that's also it. I'm not gonna do like filled now. Let's see if we can get a small push to get the break even. Okay, I sniped the bottom, guys, to the pip. I'm gonna move to my stop loss to the low. It's already gonna get stopped out, yeah. I mean, at least I sniped it so I could go break even. Holy shit. Yeah. This is why I love key levels, because even though I was wrong, I managed to get a break even on that one, but that was quick. Holy shit. That was a quick one. But at least the entry was saved me. No, I had another key level below it that I'm gonna mark out, that I'm gonna take. Let me see if I can find it. Is it? Oh, I forgot we have news today. I didn't even. We have the. I haven't even checked. I totally forgot about the news. Oh shit. That was 1 hour. Ah, okay, but they were still red. By the way, can you see the charts? By the way, I'm out on break even, guys. I'm out on break even. I had to protect quickly. I sniped the bottom, but sadly it came back to the break even. But we are trading at a very good premium price, guys, so a lot of good zones down here that we can take. This is a very good start of the session, actually, that we came all the way down here. By the way, guys, I'm not in the zone. I'm out on break even. I'm not in the zone. And this is why I move to break even, by the way, when I get a small rejection. Because moving to break even is basically a free shot to get a trade. So. Let me delete this. There's no big news here. Yeah, that was earlier today. I thought it was now, but it was earlier today. But I have a new zone. What is that key level for? 2, 4, 4, 6, 1. That's right here. Can hit it. Whoops. Break even on the first one. Let's see if the next one can be better, guys. I had to protect early against this. I don't want it to fucking hold and pray. And that's why I focus on sniper entries, because then you can... I basically took a long without costing me anything. So if we reversed, I would have a banger trade. So focus on getting very precise on your entry so you can get out on break even if you're wrong on the direction. It's actually broken, because other people were taking a loss now because they didn't get the perfect bottom to get the small 5-second window to move. But let's focus on the next zone. But you also have to be quick, guys. It takes some time to... Let me check if it's the right zone. Wait, let me check gold as well. Gold's also coming down, so that's also great in terms of buy opportunities. I do have 2 key levels. I have a 431 and I have 461. So let's see which one is the best. Let me see if it's possible to... Let me actually show you something. Trying to see if we can take a sell actually on the momentum, just like yesterday where we wanted to take a long on the first strong move. Now I'm just trying to see if we can get a sell on it. Gold is also trending towards the breakout point. Let me see if I can multitask. The reason I'm looking towards 774 is because it's the staircase setup. But it's the staircase setup on the 15-second time frame, and I've never tried it on this time frame. I usually do it on the 4-hour. But that's basically a pretty big difference on the time frame. And I don't know if the candles has the same respect on this time frame as on the 4-hour. It looks pretty good on the 15 seconds. I'm just trying to think for a minute. Yeah. Oh. I want to see if I can get that, what is it called? That's a bullish candle to close without a top wick on the line. But that was pretty too close for that. I mean, it looks like the staircase setup actually respect fine on this time frame. It did 150 pips, which also means volume is crazy right now. In 3 minutes we have the next hourly candle and the 4-hour candle, so we're gonna try to sell the bottom wick on that candle, okay? The bottom move of the next 4-hour candle. So I think sells will come soon. That's why we have to wait 3 minutes even though we tapped the blue line. Baby, 2 minutes, guys, and then if we get a good sell setup, we can take it. It's kind of sad the zone was not the low, and our entry was not the low of that move. That would have been very nice. Because being long on that bottom was actually not a bad idea. It just went so deep. Our buy zone was at this area right here, and we dipped lower towards the 600 level. But let's focus on the next trade. We have 2 minutes for the next 4-hour candle. Let's see if we can get the sells on that bar. That would be great. Just keep your mouse above the market sell and then the lot size you want to use, and just keep your mouse above it. So when I say it, you just press it so you don't have delay. Every second you enter matters actually, especially when we do scalps. So I'm not going to speak so much more, I'm just going to focus, and then I will talk whenever I press the sell button and you can copy it. It looks like Nasdaq reversed the whole push down, which is fucking nuts, in 5 minutes. 2 5-minute bars down and then 2 5-minute bars up. That is nuts. That is nuts. We have 20 seconds. I really like the next, to get in on the next one. By the way, I'm just thinking, that's why I'm not talking. Just trying to see what's the best idea to do. Kind of crazy they just fucking it just reversed the whole move again. The fuck? Look at the 4 hour. It just opened without any wicks. It just went straight down. I was waiting for at least a small push up, so I was more comfortable in with the cells. But it just went straight down instantly when the bar opened. We're buying a thing. I'm open for both. I'm not looking for a specific direction. I was looking for a sell up here, but the first candle that opens on the 4 hour just went straight down. I was hoping for some kind of setup at least, but it just went straight down, and then you kind of late. And at least I also wanted like some kind of top wick on the 4 hour candle, because basically almost every 4 hour candles has bottoms and top wicks, but this one didn't have it, so I was waiting for the top wick first and then sells. But I guess the volume today is just so high that it doesn't matter. But I'm open for both sells and shorts and sells, longs and sells. So it's a good day today actually, in terms of bias. So we can take both directions. Just need to be precise and then get a trade. Just straight down, straight up, straight down, now straight up again. Let's see. Okay, let's see. Amy, can I trade CFDs on NAS with the future showing? Yeah, you can basically just copy it when I tell you I enter. It's not a big difference. The numbers are different, but if you just do it the same time as me, there should be no difference. What's wrong? Nothing is wrong. I'm just thinking. That's why I'm not talking. I'm just thinking and focusing on getting a trade. It's not easy to be to getting precisely trades. If I didn't really care about the accuracy, I could have taken 5 trades today. But if you want to be very accurate on your entry, you have to be really thinking about anything. You're welcome. Want to trade? You're welcome. Yeah, exactly, Brett. But I've actually been thinking about changing the YouTube for shadow trade to shadow trading instead of signals, because shadow trading is basically the same, but I just don't like how do I explain this? Like shadow trading, I trade like it's just myself, and you guys just follow in the shadows, if that makes sense. So you can still copy the trades, but I'm not like giving you A, B, and C, which just makes it like if I say I give signals, I want to make sure the signals are A+. If you shadow trade, I just trade for myself, and I will have so many more trades, and you can still copying them. But I'm not saying like exactly, I'm taking a trade now, take it with me, and that makes a big difference, like psychology wise. I'm thinking about changing to shadow trading, even though it's basically the same. I just don't owe you an A+ setup, because I'm not saying I'm giving signals. I'm just trading by myself, and you just copying from the YouTube, if that makes sense. If you understand the difference that I'm trying to say. Because I think if we shadow trade on YouTube, I will get so many more trades, and you can copying way more trades, and of course it's still gonna be good trades. It's not, I'm not just gonna go fucking rampage on everything I see. If Tarte, wait, what? If trade, you just let know is, or you will say God. I mean, if I do shadow trading, I'll just basically trade like I'm just sitting alone, and I just take like trades as I do normally, like when I trade by myself, and then you just sitting in the shadows, basically just copying what I do. But even though it's the same outcome for you, for me it's the big difference just trading by myself and you copying what I do, than saying that I'm giving signals. Because if I say I'm giving signals, I want to make sure that every single trade and every single signal is a 10 out of 10. And that's why I focus so much on quality, but it also blocks kind of my mental to just take more trades. And more trades does equal more money as well. Like, even though I have 2 losses in between, I will still make more money taking more trades with a low win rate. But because I say it's a signal, I want to make sure every single trade is a win, and that's also why almost every single trade I post is a win, but the quantity of trades is not as high as I want it to be, because it's impossible to fucking get an A+ setup every single day, you know? So it's like, I have to find a sweet spot, and I think the sweet spot is shadow trading, where I just trade like it's myself and you're just copying it by watching, if that makes sense. Just like Trader Tom Hauger or whatever it's called. he shadow trades and he has like 2,000 people just copying what he does. But he doesn't say like, I'm buy gold now. He just trades, plays the trade, and you can see it, and then you just copying it. And it's a big different like mentality to have, yeah, psychology stuff. It's hard to explain. What is your average RR? I don't have an average. It depends a lot. But I'm pretty used to have big runners. Example yesterday. I don't know if the zone is still here. Yesterday, the zone I marked out. Let me see if I can even find it. It was on this one. I can't even remember. I think it was. Yeah, this was this wake. This was yesterday's buy zone, this bottom wake, and it basically just went fucking the whole day. That was 1,000 pips, and the stop loss was like 40 pips, so that's a big RR. But I don't really care about risk to reward actually. I just care about the quality of the entry, because if I have a good entry, I will not take a loss. I will just take a break even if I'm wrong on the direction. Just like the trade we took today earlier actually. The entry was perfect, so I got out on break even instead of taking a loss. So that's what I focus on. Oh, come on, Goldie. This is not gold, this is Nasdaq actually. Come on, Nasdaq. Let me check gold actually. Getting some consolidation, which means hopefully we get a breakout soon towards one of the good areas. I have good sell zones, I have good buy zones, so we just basically just need to reach one of them and we're gonna hopefully get a banger. Banger, banger, banger. Maybe we can get a grab the bag pattern here if this 1 minute bar close above without a bottom wick, sorry, top wick, and the next one rips off. We could get a grab the bag. Oh shit. Destroying my microphone. Why is still flicking? Yeah, perfect. Why is everyone nowadays making content in the niche of trading and money making just because it's highest paid? Probably because it's high paid, I guess. I think that's the reason. I don't know what you mean. Yeah. Are you Europe? Yeah, I'm from Denmark. I'm from Denmark, sadly. Are you from Thailand? Lovely Vikings, yeah, true. We used to be Vikings, but now we are just fucking pussies. So, Denmark used to be a nice country, now it's a shithole, so. I'm from Dubai. Oh, nice. Habibi, come to Dubai. Nice. How come Denmark is a shithole? Basically, you get taxed when you fucking die, you get taxed when you breathe air, you get taxed when you take a shit. If you take a shit on a public toilet, your shit would get taxed because you used a public toilet. You're basically being taxed the minute you got born. When you get born, there will be a guy with a fucking iPad being like, here, you have to write your tax stuff and he will tax you. I too trade, but in crypto and in forex. Nice, bro. Congrats. What's up with this consolidation? Give me a break. Then why don't you just live in another country? I'm actually moving to February. I'm moving, so bye-bye Denmark. I mean, in June, start February. No, January, sorry. January, I can speak. End January, start February. Come on, can we start to move a little bit? Let me guess, UK? No, I'm moving to Germany first, down to a friend, and then me and my friend move to Mauritius. Yeah, yeah, exactly. I'm moving with Louis, by the way, Brett. You know him? I think he's the guy who actually told you about me, if I'm not mistaken. He's moving to Norway because he loves the cold. Hell no. Yeah, LJ. I'm moving with LJ to Mauritius. After Germany, we go to Mauritius. We open the company there. We only have to pay 3% tax, close to 0%. So, it's gonna be nice. I mean, What is this? Repair? Yeah, exactly. Exactly. They are still on gray list? What is the gray list? How much are you paying, and then paying for what? You mean taxes? I don't know, fucking 80%. Look. I mean, if I make $100 in a company, I pay 25 VAT, and then if I make a lot of money, I pay 50 to 60% after. So if I make $100 in a company, I make basically $20 profit after taxes. And that's if you have 100% profit margin. Imagine if you have a business where you have like 50% margin, after the taxes as well, you're basically just making a fucking penny. Financials, US and UK ask a lot of questions when money flows from Mauritius. Yeah, but the good thing is, if you don't live in UK, you don't have to you don't have to care about what they say. I see LJ in December. He's coming to. Yeah, exactly. So when he comes home, I'm moving to him, and then we move to Mauritius. It's gonna be so nice. What the hell the government even does with that money? Fucking pay for illegal immigrants that is fucking killing everybody on the streets, but they at least getting their votes. So definitely not corrupt. I don't know if you saw the quote, like, if you tax one, if you take, if someone makes $500 and you take $400 away from him and you give the 400 to 5 different people, you lost 1 voter, but you gain 4 votes. That's basically how democracy works nowadays. You take money from the rich guy moved to Dubai, they lost 1 voter, but the money they took from the rich, they pay 4 other guys, and they made 4 new votes from that money, if that makes sense. It's basically how it works. So it's not even democracy anymore, it's just fucking pay stupid people to stay, and then the rich fucking moves. I've been to Cape Town twice for a general conference, and Johannesburg once for my AOC Cloud meetup. Nice. It looks pretty nice, especially Cape Town. That looks pretty cool. I'm in Cape Town, more than welcome. Nice, bro. It's a nice place. Do you live there, like, or you just vacation? Oh, come on, hashtag. I have to go in 30 minutes, so it needs to speed up the progress. Live and work was in UK, but that shithole. Yeah, UK is even fucking worse than Denmark. UK is completely fucked. But they do the same. They take money from the rich moves, they lose 1 vote, but they give the money to 4 other illegal immigrants, and then they gain 4 more votes. That's like, they invest 1 vote to get 4 votes. Stonks. That's a good risk to reward, man. Imagine the policies. They have a 1 to 4 risk to reward, guys. They lose 1 rich guy to pay 4 poor people. I mean, that's just the truth. I know it sounds brutal, but it's a 1 to 4 risk to reward. Come on, NQ. Oh, she's moving. Buy limit 758. Our CEO stayed there and also moved to Mauritius now. Oh, nice. Very nice. I mean, yeah, you just have to get away. Just move as far away you can and you're gonna enjoy life. It's almost impossible to enjoy life here in Europe. I can't even see the chart. This is not a signal, guys. I have to go in 30 minutes, so I'm gonna pull this off and see what's going on. One of my friends who is just a streamer like you and all, he does this as a coder too, and he made a fake replica interface of the trading algo and aim in the market. Oh, I see. Nice. I guess price is moving away from my buy limits. I'll delete it then. No problem. No problem. I like pina colada. Come on. I think now we get the top wick on the 4 hour. Yeah. Can you explain Top Step? I don't really understand how it works. I mean, you pay $50, you get a 50k account. If you make 6%, I think 6%, you get moved to a new account, and if whatever amount of money you make on that account, you can withdraw after 5 green days. Mauritius is amazing, been 4 times in the past few years. Super keen to set up on the island. Yeah, it's very nice, man. It's a very nice place. I haven't been there, but I've seen the pictures and I'm already in love. Also because it's a kind of combination of Maldives and Hawaii, because you still have the big mountains and stuff, but you also have the nice beaches and bitches. So it's a very nice place. But what is the activation fee? They removed the activation fee actually. So if you choose the other option, it's 89 and you have no activation fee. So you basically save $200. Oh no, sorry, you save $120 if you pass. Is Top Step available in Africa and Mauritius? I hope so. They better be. I'll actually have to search for that. it would be stupid to move down there to not. Please. Oh, it's not. Oh. Oh, oh, oh. When I search on Google, it says no. When I search, it's. Hello, Blue Fang. How you doing, brother? I will send LJ some pics and he can forward to you. Yeah, do that, please. That would be nice. That would be very nice to see. I would love to see it. So please send me. I have DM Topstep and you have, if you have a Mauritius bank account and RIS, you can, okay. Perfect. Perfect. That's good. That's good to know. Buy the dip. Buy the dip. This is not a signal, guys. It's basically just me. I have to go in 20 minutes, so I'm just gonna place this for fun. I'm probably gonna lose money on it. Done my homework? Yeah, that's good, bro. Keep it up. Keep up the homework. I appreciate it. Let me put it in the middle. Just keep it. This is not a trade to copy, by the way. It's basically just because I have to go. And I just want to see. Come on. Don't be shy. Please. I don't like it's consolidating right above. We did not get filled. I mean, I didn't. You don't have. You should not take this trade. No, it's gone. See you, Brett. See you, man. Thank you for coming in. Wait, what other homework can we do? I mean, it was because he was talking about some top step research that he has done. But soon you will have to, when I release the videos, you have to, what is it called, buy notebooks and everything you can, because there's a lot of shit you have to write down and remember. I mean, you can rewatch the videos, but Sometimes you learn the things better when you read it down as well. Write it down. Oh, that buy limit would have been nice. Ooh. I have the notebook. Nice, bro. Then you're ready for the video. You're gonna be ready. Gold been so untradeable? Yeah, I mean, it's not been the best. It's not been the best. But... Alicia, can you check your Instagram now? You should have got the link now. Like, how is this almost 200 points? It makes no sense. This is the 1 minute chart. It is fucking insane. How the smallest move is like, I don't know. I'm in, boss. Welcome, buddy. Welcome, welcome. We still have 20 minutes. If we can get to 891, we're gonna take a nice, beautiful sell. Sorry, 899.50. I think that sell will be juice. But let's see. The price is not really moving. What is gold doing? Basically nothing. Great. Good time to go long. Let's see if we can reach the sell zone before 15 minutes. It's really pushing now, guys. Push, push, push. The sell at 899 is gonna be the last try today, and I have to go. You're looking for certain candles to buy and sell. I look at previous rejections and then I try to predict where the rejection is gonna be. I don't trade with confirmation. Hello, Blue Flame. Welcome back. Let me place the sell limits. It's a B plus setup, but I want to take it. It's 899.5. It's not A plus, it's B plus, but I still think it's worth taking. So if you want to take it, you can take this one. 899.5. And I'm gonna remove the sell limit if anything bad comes, but right now I'm gonna keep it. Let me zoom out and then put the mark out. Rips. Color. And then from tomorrow I'm gonna do the shadow trading. I think that's gonna provide so much more yeah, just overall trades. Did you use Apex funding before? No, I have never used it before. I use Topstep right now. Oh man, it never really came to the sell zone. Now it just reversed. Motherfucker. That's pretty sad actually, that's pretty frustrating. Pretty frustrating. I'm gonna delete the sell limit for now, and if we get close I can see if it looks good, but right now because we're trading all the way down at 700 again, I'm just gonna remove it so I don't forget it. That would have been nice. But yeah, I'm removing the sell limit for now. Just get me filled, dude. Oh my god, it's all the way down again. I might have to call it a day, I guess, because I have to go early, which is pretty sad, but it's only today I have to go early. Then tomorrow we're gonna start shadow trading. That will 100% increase the trades, because, you know, as I explained earlier. But I think I'm gonna go now because I have the sell zone and then I have the buy zone, but it's too far away to get filled in 10 minutes. So thank you for watching, guys. See you again tomorrow, and hopefully we get a banger tomorrow.